All right, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna be doing a POV drive with the Golf R. This is exciting. I've never driven the facelift before. I've only driven the Mark 7, and I'm interested. I don't think there's gonna be too much of a difference, but we'll see how she do. So for this drive, we're going to be just going through the drive modes. We're not doing launch control today. We're just going to kind of just easily just drive with this vehicle and see how she do. Because I'm curious as to see the difference. Because I don't think I've ever driven a dynamic chassis control Golf R. So this is extraordinarily cool for the channel. So we're gonna start in eco mode, which is kind of goofy for getting out of here, but we're just gonna do that, and hopefully we find a nice spot to sneak out. That's an if question, right? All right, here we go. All right, so of course, Golf R, I believe this is the new DSG 7-speed, but very similar to what was in the previous, the 6-speed. It's just an extra gear. I don't think the gearing has changed too much. I think this is obviously focused on economy, not really performance. So performance I don't think is affected, just economy, and that's a good thing. You don't lose any performance and you get better gas mileage. You cannot beat that. Right off the bat, I do notice that the steering, especially in eco mode, which is a little interesting, is a little firmer than the GTI, being my GTI. And I think that's just the nature of the beast. The Golf R is obviously more performance oriented. It's gonna have a stiffer steering. But anyway, what I will do is I'm gonna stop talking. You guys pretty much know the gist of everything. I'm not gonna go completely fast. This is not my car. I'm very lucky to have this opportunity. But we're just gonna put just a couple miles on the car and do a loop and go right back to Volkswagen. And I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So. All right, so Golf R, facelift Golf R. How do we like it? We love it. We absolutely love it. I love this car so much, guys. It's so refined, it's not even funny. The comfort mode is so comfortable. This is riding on 19s. My car's riding on 19s, and it's like a bouncy house. This thing is so refined, it's not even funny. And when you put it in sport mode, it feels like a true sport mode. Everything tightens up. I mean, you have a beautiful, it's fake noise pumped through, but it sounds like a 5-cylinder. And I like that. I absolutely like that. I have no problem with that. It's a good sound. I mean, for other things that I like, I mean, the steering is so precise. It's glued to the road. I will say race mode is very harsh. With the dynamic chassis control set to the race setting, it's gonna feel like everything you drive over is a pothole, and that's why I was switching between normal and comfort and sport, or race mode again, just because the overall drivability was kind of a little wonky in the race mode. But guys, overall, this car is fantastic. I really like it. The brakes are phenomenal. They're huge brakes too. This thing is a little bit heavier than the GTI, but it really doesn't feel that way. It's very quick. I didn't redline it. I'm not gonna, I didn't full throttle it. It's not my car, like I said before. But from what I got from this drive, yeah, it's really nice. And the seats hug you in so nicely, as the GTI seats did or do. And yeah, overall, I really like this.